Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. A new rumor says that an upcoming Google Pixel smartphone will be made using ceramic materials, and if that's the case, it could help solve one of the worst things about my Pixel 6. Now don't get me wrong, I love my Google Pixel 6, it's a step up from my Google Pixel 3a in all the right ways, but it can get very hot, which is a particular issue given the hot weather we have been experiencing here in the Indian subcontinent. If I want to play a mobile game like Genshin Impact, it can quickly begin to feel like my phone case is going to melt. Maybe that's why Google's official Pixel 6 cases were getting warped. Thankfully, it sounds like Google is working on a solution to this heating issue by making a Pixel smartphone with ceramic materials, and it could arrive as soon as the Google Pixel 7. The rumors come from a post on the Chinese social media app Weibo that was discovered by 9to5Google, and on that post it was said Google has plans to partner with Foxconn, a manufacturer in China that also makes Apple's iPhones. Foxconn will apparently not only help create the rumored Google Pixel Fold, which may be called the Pixel Notepad, but also a new Google Pixel flagship that uses ceramics. One of the main benefits of this material is how it handles heat. Phones that are made of ceramic don't feel as hot to hold as their non-ceramic counterparts. Now, as with all the rumors, we have to take this one with a pinch of salt, but if Google does launch a Pixel 7 or Pixel 8 made of ceramic, it will hopefully mean that I will finally be able to play some of the best Android games without my smartphone burning me. Beyond being better at handling heat, ceramic smartphone components offer a few other benefits. So with that point in mind, it's no surprise that leaks also suggest that the ceramic Pixel 7 will be a new and more expensive flagship. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates.